Hello everyone, I'm Kushal Jain, this is Saj Programmer. I hope you guys are doing absolutely fine. So we are going to compare two amazing tools in this video. One is Tab9 and other is GitHub Copilot. So Tab9 is around since quite a while now and GitHub Copilot is pretty new. So we are going to compare both of them with respect to all the features they have and how they are going to help the developer community, which tool is more beneficial for the students, for the freshers and for the experienced candidates out there in the market. And the best part is we are going to compare both the tools hands-on. I'll do the coding on my computer screen and we'll compare both of them, which one is better or which one is more convenient to the developer community, which gives more better coding experience to the developers. So let's jump onto our computer screen for more insights. So there is a small gift for you in between the video, so do watch the video till the end because it will eventually help you. So let's quickly jump to our screen and let's open VS Code. Tab9 is there for quite a while now. It has 8.4k GitHub star, which is quite huge. It has a good rating as well and good amount of the community is quite big. Okay, so it provides you the cloud model as well as the local model, and you can set your preferences accordingly, how many number of suggestions you want, and you can use the decompletion model from the cloud and also from the local. So now let's see by a demo by creating a file inside a folder. So we'll be creating a simple function in Python to add the elements of a list, and then we'll be creating some more functions and see how good suggestions Tab9 providing and how helpful it is for the developers. Tab9 is so powerful that it can provide you suggestions for your comments as well. It is trained on GPT model, which can understand natural language as well. So it can provide you suitable comments for your code as well. Hey everyone, you just saw how amazing Tab9 is, and the best part is it can be consumed by both the student developers and the professional developers because it helps you to empower and get control of your own code. And one more amazing thing about Tab9 is it learns your coding style. So the more you use it, the better it will become, and then better code completions it will provide you. So Tab9 is providing an amazing gift for all the savage programmers out there, for all the developer community, whether professional, whether students. So you can get Tab9 Pro version for free. Yes, you heard it right, you can get it for free. Tab9 is running a program for Refer a Friend, where for each installation you get a 1-month pro subscription free of Tab9. It's free of cost, you just have to spread the word. The moment your friend installs Tab9 with your referral, you'll get 1 month free pro subscription of Tab9. Isn't it amazing? So you just have to spread the word, that's it. Further, for students, there is a special program going on by Tab9 where you just have to use your college ID or your school ID to get Tab9 Pro version for free. Both the links for the referral program as well as for the student program, you can find both the links in the description. Do use those links to get Pro version for free. It is amazing for the professionals as well as for the students, and it will help you get more control over your code. So do check it out. Let's continue the comparison between the two. We saw some examples of Tab9 and we saw some great code completions using Tab9. Now we'll see how efficient GitHub Copilot is, but the problem is GitHub Copilot is not available to everyone for now. It is only available to a few, a short group of people. So I'll be just showing you the samples that are there on their website, and then according to that we'll compare both of them. So let's jump onto the screen. So GitHub Copilot is currently available to a small group of technical testers, and it is not available publicly for now. So even I was not able to get the technical preview, but I have applied to it. You can also apply it by going to this website and signing up. So I'll be showing you the demo via the code snippet example that are there on their website only. So talking about, let me play this. So before writing the complete code, you have to provide context of your requirement to code GitHub Copilot, and it will provide you the complete function without writing even a single bit of your code. Now, I personally do not suggest this thing, reason being you're not learning on the go, right? It is suggested you the complete code without even hampering you for writing a single bit of code. And the thing is, you don't even know what's the logic in there. You didn't put any thinking ability, logical problem solving skills into writing the complete code. So, and this is the place you're not growing. And for college students and for fresh graduates, learning is the most important thing. If you're not learning while writing your code, if you're not writing your code, if you're not writing your own logic to build different things, you're not growing. So that is a major thing I want to point out. I won't suggest this to college students and fresh graduates because it is completely taking the hard work. So currently it is supporting Python, JavaScript, TypeScript, Ruby and Go, no C++, which is one of my favorite languages. It clearly mentioned it is more than autocomplete. So okay, fine. Now if we talk about this, let me replay this also. You are writing the context you want from that function, then it is giving you the complete code. Now here you don't even know what logic has been put in to get the required output. So you eventually have to go through that function again and see whether it is serving your purpose or not. And this is where you are putting more time rather than saving your time. So Tabnine is not taking the hard work of writing the logic, but it is helping you to give you a better experience and convenience by giving some suggestions to help you write the complete logic, right? As you can see, the complete list is being suggested by GitHub Copilot. This is really good. This is outstanding, but it's not great for learning purpose. Let's compare both these tools based on some features, and they are like this. First is AI completion of universal code patterns. Obviously, both these tools are trained on open source repositories and help you in code completions, in giving you suggestions for code completions. So both has this capabilities. Now talking about AI tailored for you and your team. Here Tabnine provides you an exceptional capability to increase the quality and quantity of your AI code completions by giving you the capability to add an additional model which will be trained on your team projects, your preferences, your coding patterns. It's completely optional to use the cloud deep completion models, and also they have especially written the code privacy thing where they clearly mentions that even if you're using code deep completion models from the cloud, they will keep your data until unless the prediction is done, then they'll delete your data or discard your data. Further, GitHub Copilot runs on the cloud. There is no relation of working locally, but Tabnine provides you both the capabilities of running on the cloud as well as locally. Tabnine provides support to almost all the IDEs, your favorite ones too, like VS Code or IntelliJ, Android Studio, Vim, Sublime Text, whereas GitHub Copilot currently supports only VS Code. Further, talking about the programming languages, GitHub Copilot provides support to only 5 programming languages, whereas Tabnine provides support to more than 30 programming languages, including your favorite one too. Programming languages are being covered. Most of the amazing IDEs are also covered by Tabnine. Talking about GitHub Copilot, so if we talk about some FAQs, it is trained over OpenAI Codex model and use public code and text on the internet. It is serving the purpose in VS Code. So this is all I wanted to share. I hope this particular thing would help you to learn something new today. One more thing I want to mention is all these views are of my own. I have been using Tabnine from a long time now, and I have used I've seen GitHub Copilot as well. And based on my understanding, I believe Tabnine is much better for. Now let's cover one of the most curious questions that most of the people have. Will AI is going to replace your job, your software engineering job? So the clear answer to this is no, a big no. Just take this thought. GitHub Copilot or Tabnine is being developed by developers. It is being trained over the code written by developers. So how can a thing which is being made by developers can replace them? GitHub Copilot cannot think of its own. It is being trained on your code. Tabnine is improving your coding capabilities by learning your coding style. So eventually we will require developers or software engineers to write these kind of amazing tools, to build these kind of amazing frameworks. So all in all, I hope this video would have added some value to your life. If that's so, do like the video and make sure to subscribe to your channel as well for such amazing content. We'll meet in the next video. Till then, bye bye, take care.